Sequential learning algorithm is a rule-based classification technique in data mining. In rule-based classification technique, in this technique, we try to find a set of if-then rules to predict the class level for the data. The core idea of sequential learning algorithm is that first we will learn one rule, then we will remove the covered data by that specific rule and repeat the same process, and at last we will find a default rule. We will see this in the example section. In sequential covering, cover one class at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once. So here is the algorithm overview. You can pause the video and simply read this. For time shortage, we will move to the example part. So here is the example dataset. This is a simple income and credit score dataset where on the basis of this income and credit score we approve the loan or we don't approve. So we are taking the positive example as loan approved and negative examples as loan not approved. And our main goal is to learn the rules that predict loan is approved. So first we have to identify the class. We don't need to do this in real life. We just for just understanding we are doing this, that we have four positive classes, four positive examples and two negative examples. We want to learn rules that capture all four positive examples correctly. So learn the first rule. So if we observe the data set, we will find that if we just take simply income is equals to high, then it covers two tuples where the loan is approved. So this is the best condition found, that if income is equals to high, it covers two only positive, there is no negative. So this is a perfect rule. So we'll simply take this as a rule number one, that if income is equals to high, the loan is approved. If income is equal to high, the loan is approved. And as already said, that we will remove the tuples which is covered by this rule, that is 2 and 4. We left with these tuples. Now we'll try to find the second rule. In second rule, we can take that income is equals to low or in credit score is equal to good. See, if we take income is equals to low, it will not able to classify those, it will not able to classify those data set. Sorry, it will not able to classify those tuples perfectly. But if we take credit score is equal to good, in that case it will perfectly classify that tuple. So the best condition found is that credit score is equal to good. It covers two positive, rows 3 and 5. So this is a great rule. So this is the rule number 2. So we will left with that this data. Now I already explained that why not income is equal to low is not can't be a great rule. Now, at last, this is the remaining dataset. In the remaining dataset, there is no positive examples remaining. All four positives have been covered by rule number 1 and 2. Only two negative examples are remaining. So the loop actually stops here. So the loop stopping condition will be when you have only a single type of single type of tuples, single type of class tuples are remaining, or most of the tuples are single type. Now this is the rule number 1 and this is the rule number 2. So all four positive examples are now covered, and now we are left with the default rule, that else loan is equal to not approved. So if any tuple is not covered through these two rules, we will go to the default rule and loan will be not approved. So these are final rules that you can see. Now, if we can take a test example like input, if income is equals to low and credit score is equal to bad. So our first rule is that if income is equal to high, so this is not matching. So we'll go to the rule number 2. We have to go in the ordered manner. We can't take that first. We will take the rule number 2, then rule. No, this is the order. So we have to first take rule number 1, then rule number 2 is also not matching. We see that credit score is equal to good, but here it is given credit score is equal to bad. So we will go to the default rule, the else rule. So the previous rule, this rule is matched, so match is found. So the default rule already said that the loan is not approved. So in this case the loan will not approved. So the advantage of sequential covering is that it is very easy to understand, and it is a very interpretable model and efficient in learning, and it also handles partial patterns. In complicated cases you can see this thing. And so in sequential learning algorithm, summary is that learns one rule at a time, focused and targeted, and it produces a very simple and ordered human readable classifier. That's all. Thank you.